English Times is really blessed to have students who have positive competitive spirit, who always come forward, participate actively, and mesmerizes us with their impeccable and wonderful performances. To salute this act, we decided to reward some of our kings and queens. Let's unbox the gifts with them.
So, hi guys, my name is Shubham, and currently I'm pursuing risk management. Um, so, uh, 2 3 months ago, I decided to join the English Times for enhance my communication skills. So there, Teachers' Day event, and there I was rewarded by a very special gift which would I really like to show you. This is the gift. This is a book which I received from the English Times. Let me tell you guys, by following this book, I came to know many of such things. I ended up in many of such things, which is really helping me to developing my skills. And not only this book, but I would really like to give my sincere thanks to all the staff of the English Times. I wish you all the best for your success, Mr.
Hi
Arindam.
friends, my name is Hemlata. I am a teacher. I am a Sanskar Kendra teacher also. In this lockdown, many classes I have taken. Many students taken benefits from this class, and this class going on online. By this all things I tell you. mm, before I couldn't talk any single word in English, but now i I am joined English classes. um, from these classes I have learned many things. There are wonderful teachers uh, who those are understanding to students and teach and kindfully, and they have given their valuable time to teaching to students, and I have got many benefits from these classes. And
Hi guys, I have received a gift from English Times. Here it is, and I'm so excited to unbox this gift. And here it is. Look at this, how beautiful, how sweet the coffee mug is. It's just so nice, as the gifts always make us feel positive in our lives and make us realize that we have done something good. That's why we received gifts. So I have given a speech in the uh, Teachers' Day, so that's why I received this gift from the English Times, and I'm so grateful to the English Times. Thank you so much. It's make me feel very happy. Thank you so much.
Hope
And
you enjoyed this unboxing. To unbox many more of such gifts, stay tuned as English Times has a lot in store for you. Cheers.